the worst one on the block.
Okay. It's cute.
It will be cute for sure.
So we bought this house through the land bank for just $1,000.
Okay.
The land bank is a department of the city, and they own a bunch of abandoned houses. They're all in abysmal shape. A lot of them go on auction, and they're very, very cheap.
It's a 3-1 bungalow.
How many square feet?
It's right at 925.
Okay. Let's check it out. Oh, Lord.
Oh my God. Comes furnished.
Oh, a lot of the demolition has already been complete, so
Yeah.
that's helpful for you guys. Well, the window is huge, and it'll make this room feel larger because it's not the biggest living room.
This place won't be sad very much longer. This is gonna be my palm house. This should be like a tropical getaway in the middle of Detroit. So it's gonna have some light, breezy colors, green accents, teak, lots of wood, warm tones. Of course, lots of plants and palms everywhere. You should basically feel like you've been transported to Miami.
This is a nice sized bedroom. I mean, you can easily do a full or queen size bed in this room.
Still have room for a dresser. Got some lovely wallpaper. Actually, now that I see it, it's like
It's a tree.
Yeah.
It's like kind of like your theme.
Okay, that really just solidified the palm house.
I know, look at me helping, pointing out the trees and all that stuff.
So, new flooring. We're gonna have a 4-poster bed in here, custom built. This should be a really unique space when we're finished up.
You can see that obviously one exterior wall had been completely repaired, so that's great for us.
Yeah.
So will you leave this wall as is?
We're gonna add a window.
Okay.
We'll switch the stove to this wall over here, have wraparound cabinets.
Okay.
We'll have floating uppers, and the color scheme in here is a bold green with a pink accent. My favorite part of the entire house is upstairs.
Wow.
I know.
This place is like livable compared to
Right.
the rest of this house.
This room is kind of like the big win for this house.
It is, definitely.
We're gonna keep the paneling,
Okay.
kind of freshen it up a little bit. We'll restain the floors, and then we're gonna take the accent color to the ceiling in here.
Okay.
So it'll give you a little bit of a whimsical vibe up here.
Now I see why you like this house.
Yeah. I'm hoping to stay under $45,000 for the renovation budget. And considering that we have a 1 floor that's already basically done, I think we can do that. So what do you think we could list it at?
Based on the comps that you all have created in this neighborhood, puts the number at about $76, $77 per square foot. But with your design and renovation, this home at about 1,000 square feet, we can list it at closer to the 78, 79,000 mark.
Awesome.
And then you can buy the house next door.
Right.
Yes.
And all the other ones on the block.
All right, open the tube. There's just some trash to pick up. We have to take out some old insulation. Other than that, it's a pretty easy clean out.
Rat's nest. Yeah. You know, at one point, I bet that mouse was like, this is a pretty nice little house. Whoever had it before us had put a little bit of work into it.
It's actually pretty common for someone to get in over their heads on a renovation and have to sell the house. So sometimes these houses are actually abandoned twice. Someone has already completely rewired the house. That saves us several $1,000s and started to rebuild part of the back exterior wall.
It's like the universe is like, here, just, this will be easy. Just, you're doing good work, just, here, have a break. Get rolling.
It's week 2 here at the Palm House, and things are already looking so much better.
So today at the Palm House, our main goal is to get the kitchen as far along as possible. I've decided to go with a butcher block countertop that only cost me about $300 for the whole kitchen. The kitchen countertop stain is whitewash. We've picked some really bold colors for the cabinets and the accent color. So having something a little more neutral definitely will help lighten up the space a little bit. All right, countertop is done.
That's a pretty color.
Thank you. I had this idea to do this jungle palm leaf wall. This palm wall is kind of based off of this really fabulous wallpaper that I saw. It was incredibly expensive, so I thought I'd just paint a giant jungle palm tree mural myself.
Usually, murals this big take more time than we have left.
I'm hoping I can pull it off and make it look high-end, because if it's not done well, it'll look like a cartoon or a children's wall, and that's really not the look we're going for.
We've been vandalized.
Look, if I'm being completely honest, half the reason I love renovating is because each house can be a piece of art. I can paint, design, build furniture. What other job would give you a blank canvas to do that over and over and over again?
Hopefully it comes together soon.
It's coming together. You ready? Ow! All right, it's in. We good? Oh, that looks nice. Okay, let's start with the front, yeah. The basic idea is that we put a larger frame onto the wall. Then I'm gonna hang several hundred smaller pieces of wood fringe onto that. 2 down, 238 to go. It does take some extra time. It's a lot of tedious little things to do, but this is an opportunity for us to really kind of create a wow moment. I don't think that many people have seen a wooden fringed headboard. So it's open house day at the Palm House.
We bought this house for $1,000. We put around $45,000 into the renovation, and we're listing it for $79,000.
The interior design is pretty wild on this one, and it may not be for everyone's taste, but I'm pretty proud of this one, and I think the house turned out really, really beautiful.
Totally.
We come see the house.
Yeah, come on. I absolutely love it when the neighbors stop by.
Looking real nice over here.
Been working hard.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so much better to get the neighborhood looking better.
I really want to see what's going on in the inside.
All right. Yeah, yo, come on in. We'll show you.
Oh, wow.
Goodness,
That's what I'm talking about.
that's a mural.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's nice. It's kind of like a cabin slash home inner city type of vibe. I like it.
Welcome, welcome to the open house.
Wow, thank you. This is gorgeous.
Hello.
Hi.
Hey, how you doing, guys?
Come on in, check out the place.
Awesome.
So the designer, Keith, chooses the theme for each home. So you'll notice the theme of palms just carries throughout the entire home.
So this is the kitchen.
Look at this.
Hey, now. This is all right.
I like the whole backsplash and everything.
It's actually plywood. It gives it a total, like, unique custom vibe.
This is really nice.
And these countertops are actually butcher block countertops
Oh, okay.
with a whitewash over them.
Oh, wow. Oh, that's beautiful.
Check out this room here.
Oh.
Custom fringe wall hanging headboard.
Oh, really? It does look like an instrument.
Yes.
This may be what steals the show. This headboard is sick.
So here's the bathroom,
Ooh, how cute.
right?
Oh, I really like this tile.
This tile is really nice.
What is this down here?
So that's the same plywood finish that's on the backsplash.
That's not
But it has
plywood.
like a beautiful lacquer finish.
Wow. Love this.
Yes.
There's more.
Okay.
So this is the main bedroom.
Man. This is too much.
This is very 70s-ish. I like that. But then incorporating that wood paneling into the furniture is just
Exactly.
genius.
So a lot of the pieces are designed by Keith,
Okay.
and this chair is one of those fabulous pieces.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
What I've seen so far, I definitely buy this place.
This house, I think, was really close to perfect. I'm so happy with how this one turned out.
The home buyers liked it too. 2 days later, we got an offer $2,000 over asking price, earning us $35,000 on the house. Combine that with the dormer house that sold last month, and we pulled in $60,000 on our last 2 projects. That's money that will go straight into buying and renovating more houses on the block. But the most important thing is that we've brought 2 more families back into the neighborhood.